Alright, so this is a mini project I made, which basically it goes on a website that sells airplane tickets and it finds the cheapest prices and it emails them to you in this format. So it emails them like this, and yeah, let's test it and I'll give you a walkthrough once it's done running. So yeah, let's start. Oh, the website I chose was Travelocity, by the way. That's what it's gonna open. Alright, so it's gonna click one way first. I'm gonna put my mouse up here so you know I'm not clicking anything. Um, yeah, it's gonna find the date. It's gonna click the date. Alright, it's gonna load, it's gonna load. And then it's gonna click the drop down and sort by the cheapest prices. Alright, loading, loading. It's gonna scroll down because it's gonna load more flights to give you more options and stuff. Alright, and it's gonna stay here for a little bit just to make sure everything loads. And once it closes, that's when you know you can check your email and you'll have everything there. So let's wait for it to fully stop running. Alright, there we go. Now it has us at the bottom, so now you know it sent the email, so we can check. And as you can see, 138, well it's 139 now, but alright, you get it. So yeah, the subject line, it has this. It has where you're departing and where you're arriving, and your departing date. Alright, I'll zoom in so you guys can see it. Alright, there you go. So it has departure time, arrival time, price, and total travel time. Yeah, this gives you an easy way to see everything in like a collapsed list. And yeah, that's pretty much all it does for now. I haven't done exception handling or anything yet, but it shouldn't be too confusing. All right, let's run through some stuff right now. All right, so this is my first time using like Selenium and all that stuff. So yeah, so this I had to add this because I kept getting a CAPTCHA and I looked up how to bypass that, and this was the this was a solution. It opens a headless browser, but I'm not sure how that like affects the CAPTCHA. All right. These are my inputs. I didn't use the returning inputs on my call. I used this. I used these inputs. Okay. So yeah. All right. Let's get started. All right. So this it just sets the WebDriver to Chrome. These just set the values. So this departing from this is just IAD. Departure month and year. This is like the format. So I'm pretty sure it's July 2024 for this. I don't remember exactly what the format was. Okay. Arriving at this is just NAN, which is the airport in Fiji. It's just an example airport. The website's right here, Travelocity. And here on down is just like clicking the buttons by the XPath. And some XPaths will be like really ugly. Well, maybe not for you, but for me, because I'm like brand new to this, so I don't really know what I'm doing yet. But yeah, sometimes elements have like the exact same ID, so they're like duplicate things, and I couldn't really differentiate between both. So okay, whatever. All right, so when you click the dates button and it opens the calendar, there's like the arrows to go forward a month or back a month and all that, and both of those arrows had the same exact name. So I had to make this while loop to click the second arrow, which went to the next month. And yeah, I was just checking if the month equaled my equaled the input. So if it equaled July 2024, then it would click the specific date, and if it didn't, then it would just keep on going until it found the match. All right, and then I had to format the date to fit the XPath right here. Okay, and then yeah, this basically up until here is where it loads the flights. So everything from here on down just loads all the flights and yeah. Okay, this video is really long. Okay, sorry. I'm gonna hurry up. So this is basically the heading of the email. So let's see if it opens. Oh, I think it's really slow because I'm like recording. Okay, so yeah, that is basically this, just the top row. All right. Um, and then this, it just iterates through each one of the flights and just takes information from each of them. This is the example for what it pulls from each flight, and then you have to format it to fit the email, or format it however you want. But yeah, all right. And then this, the bottom part. Oh yeah, this is like really ugly, especially like this part. There's definitely a better way to do this, but I just got lazy and did it the easy way, or just the way I knew. So yeah, I'm gonna fix this soon. And once it's all done running, it closes the window so it doesn't stay open. All right, and then this email function is basically what enables it to email it to yourself. I'm gonna figure out how to email it to other people, but I'm not sure if you need a Gmail API for that, but I'll figure it out. Um, yeah, so basically, I pulled this from. There's a YouTube video I watched. It was from Maximus Alpha. That's his username. I'll put him in the description. Okay. So yeah, this is basically what it does. I'm not really familiar with the SMTP library or the module, whatever it's called, but yeah, that's basically what it was. And the formatting is from him too. So yeah, that is basically it. I'm gonna run it one more time with. Let's try. All right, let's pick a random airport. Let's see what airports are there. Okay. I think the streaming thing or the recording software is like breaking my computer right now, so I'm not gonna be showing it again. But yeah. That's basically it. Oh, if you want the code on GitHub, then just let me know. But I don't know why you would want it. It's kind of my code's kind of butt. All right. If you made it this far, here's a present. All right. There y'all go. All right. That's it. This is one of many to come. See ya.